Hey, Jane. First game's at 10 tomorrow. Here's your jersey. Good on you for hyphenating.
That Yankee prick went out to the alley to have a smoke. We followed him out, and I got him in the goddamn headlock. And then our buddy started fucking wailing on. Yankee fan gave him a beating. Jimmy the Beef.
Who's Jimmy the Beef?
Come on, you piece of shit. You know they are.
No, I don't.
Next you're gonna tell me you don't know who Sherry is at Dunkin' Donuts in Lowell.
Here you go.
$268?
I had to replace your U-pipe, your trap, washers, your valves. What the hell you been pouring down that drain anyway? It smells like hot sauce. Whoa. This is a crime scene, sir. I need you to step back.
Right, sorry, it's just, did you happen to see 5 Chihuahua puppies around here?
Puppies? Your dogs are pretty special. We've been tracking these criminals for 3 months. They got over $15 million from banks in the area.
And there's a $250,000 reward, which is yours.
I hate my calzone.
Oh, what's wrong with it?
It's just not good, and I want a new one.
All right, I will put your order in, but the kitchen's a little backed up.
Not my problem. You gave me a sucky calzone.
What is this?